to address the issue of error code E24 on a Bosch dryer. It's essential to understand what this code signifies. Error code E24 is an indicator that the dryer is malfunctioning. Several factors can contribute to this issue, including a faulty dryer. To resolve the problem, start by troubleshooting the appliance. Begin by disconnecting the dryer from its power supply, either by unplugging it or switching off the power at the source. Next, inspect the dryer for any blockages, paying particular attention to the lint filter, moisture sensor, and condenser unit, using a soft material to avoid causing damage. Additionally, verify that the dryer's ventilation is properly positioned. After a 5-minute wait, reconnect the dryer and attempt to use it, observing whether the error code E24 persists. If the issue remains, it's necessary to seek professional assistance. For further support, contact the manufacturer's customer care at 1-800-944-2904. A service available 24/7, 7 days a week.